How to send a private message in Slack. Hello everyone, I'm Sophia from Create Login and Delete, and today in this video we are going to show you how to send a direct message in Slack, a popular communication and collaboration tool. Direct messages are a great way to have private conversation with your colleague or team members. Let's dive in. First, open Slack on your desktop or mobile device. Scroll down and you will see a section that says Direct Messages. Locate the user you want to send a direct message to. You can do this by typing their name in the search bar at the top of the screen too. Once you have found the user, click on their name to open a direct message window. In the direct message window, type your message. You can also use Slack's formatting option to add emojis, format text, or even attach file. Finally, click the send button to send your message. The message will be delivered directly to the user and only they will be able to see it. And there you have it. Sending a direct message in Slack is quick and easy. Whether you are collaborating on a project or just checking in with a colleague, direct messages are a convenient way to communicate privately. Direct messages are an easy approach to connect privately, whether you are working together on a project or just checking in with a coworker, enhancing communication and collaboration, which provides a secure and efficient way to communicate privately within a workspace. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Slack tutorials and tips. See you next time.